Hello, I'm Richard Gerhardt. Welcome to Body of Energy. On this video, I will be demonstrating how to shuffle cards for energy readings or for use with energy tools. Thank you. So when shuffling cards for an element tool, it's important to shuffle the cards in a way that they turn from upright to reverse position and back and forth, because upright and reversed have a specific meaning when you read the cards. So as you can see, this element deck has all been turned to their upright position for this demonstration. So, if you take the cards like most people do and break them from end to end like that and shuffle them, no matter how many times you do it, the cards don't turn. They all stay the same direction. So if we look at them after 3 shuffles, they are all still in an upright position. So this is because when you break them apart and you shuffle them back together, they're not turning. So the way I shuffle the cards to get a turn every time I shuffle is I break them sideways. So when I shuffle, the cards are turned every single time. So if I shuffle these 3 times, you'll see here in a moment that there's a good mix of cards that are now upright and reversed. So you have upright, upright, reversed, reversed, reversed. You can see that those are reversed. These are upright, reversed, upright, reversed, reversed, upright. And so that's how it goes. So this is the reason when you separate the cards sideways and then you turn them to shuffle them, they're actually being turned so that you get a good mix of upright and reverse. So if I show you 2 cards that are in their upright position, when you split them sideways like this, and then you turn them, you can see that when they come together, they are opposite of what they used to be. So that is how I shuffle cards when I'm using an element tool. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and check out our additional videos. Also, please visit our website at bodyofenergy19.com. Thank you.